Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to this video. Today I am 16 weeks pregnant. And since you're watching, I guess you are 16 weeks pregnant as well. Congratulations on getting this far. It's around 4 months already. That is fantastic. I hope you're feeling well. I hope you're managing to eat well and drink a lot of water and do some exercising every day with me. And that everything is going well. Let's talk about our babies and about mamas. What's going on with baby and what's going on with mama. So first the baby. The baby is now around 10-12 centimeters long and weighs around 100 grams. When it comes to the size, fruit size, it's around the size of an avocado. So if you just hold an avocado in your hand, this is how big your baby is, more or less. Could be bigger, could be smaller, but more or less. So what's happening with our little avocado baby? The eyes are moving slowly, the ears are in their final position, the facial expressions are starting to show. So your baby's making tiny movements with their face and facial expressions because of all the muscles developing in their faces. They are moving a lot, they're stretching, they're kicking. You might not feel it yet, but they're doing that. What else? The body is growing now faster than the head. So initially the head was growing a lot and the body not so much. And now the body is catching up. So the little baby in us really does look like a human being, not an avocado. The bones are also hardening and the nervous system is developing. So hopefully you will have or have had your 16-week checkup at your doctor's and everything is going fine for you. When it comes to mama, because this is the second trimester, you hopefully are feeling more energized than in the first trimester. You shouldn't have any morning sickness or evening sickness anymore. Hopefully you have a better appetite and can now eat better. Don't necessarily eat a lot more, just be mindful of what you are eating, since all these nutrients go directly to our baby, and that obviously influences them from the very start. The blood is increasing in your veins, so you might start seeing your veins popping out more than they did and show more than they did in the past. And this is normal. Drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. This is super, super important. What else can be happening? You might be experiencing some lower around ligament pain here around the lower belly because of the stretching, because of the growing baby, the growing uterus, and therefore the growing of your body to be able to support this growth inside you. And then the one kind of last important thing that might be happening is because of the hormonal changes in your body, you might have a congested nose. Now, this is a bit what I have. It's not completely congested, but it is a bit congested, and it's not the nicest thing. So far, I haven't done anything about it. And hopefully it doesn't get worse and I can still continue breathing through my nose and all goes well. Let me know how you are feeling. When it comes to me, mood-wise, I'm feeling good. Energy-wise, it's a bit up and down depending on how well I slept at night. I do get some cramping in my legs, especially at night. So I take magnesium before I go to sleep, and quite a high dose of that as well. About an hour or two before going to sleep, around 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium, and then that really, really does help with the cramping. So maybe something for you to consider in case you are also feeling that. So there's one more thing that happened a few times, which I was really surprised about. I suddenly got this stabbing pain here in the belly, and I was a bit concerned about it. So I asked the doctor in the checkup, and she just said that there are many nerves in our body, and maybe because of the growth and expansion, there's a nerve that is being squeezed slightly there, and this is the reaction. It's like a painful little stab, but it happens maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. So nothing crazy, just something that I didn't have in the first pregnancy. So I got a little bit worried about it and had to ask. But it seems like all is good. I hope that you are also feeling well and that your baby's growing and developing and gaining weight, and that you are growing healthily together with your baby to make space for them, to support them, that you're sleeping a lot. Because your skin is stretching, you might want to apply body lotion, moisturize your skin, and do drink a lot of water. That also helps. Thank you so much for joining me today for this 16-week update, and I hope to see you in our workout videos. All the best in the meantime. Bye.